Yo, what's going on? My name's Fiji. I'm a dance instructor that teaches house dance. In this video, I'd like to share with you a basic house dance step. No time to waste, let's get into it. Alright, so the step that we're going to be doing in this video is the heel toe. Okay, so this is one of the most basic steps, if anything probably the most basic step in house dance. The way it works, you want to, as the name suggests, heel, toe. Okay, one side, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. So from the side, it'll look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So from the front, this is how it's gonna look. Okay? You wanna go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And if you're just starting off, you do want to start obviously at this pace. When you're actually doing the actual heel toe, you want to add a hop to it. But when you're starting off, stay planted to the ground. Okay? So you're gonna go heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. So you looking at me from the front. Okay? So it's gonna go with counts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, so let me do it from the back. Sometimes it's easier to understand when you're watching it, just like you're watching in a class, okay? So, from the back, this is how we're gonna go. Starting off with the right side first, okay? So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So now let's try it with the hop. Same speed. Okay? So with the hop. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So when you're hopping, you're landing with the heel. Okay, when you land with the other foot on the ground, and then you add the heel touches the floor. Okay, so 1, okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, and if the hop is a little weird for you to play around with at first, one thing that you can do to kind of get you used to the feeling of the hop, focus on one side first. You stay planted here, focus on the heel toe, but also have this bounce when you do it. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Other side, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Do that several times and your body will kind of get used to the bounce. This is the way I learned and kind of like polished it up myself. So, but doing that drill kind of helped me with the bounce with the heel toe. So take your time, because usually when you take your time, you actually learn a little faster. At least in my case. Okay. Let's do it again from here, and then we're progressively going to get faster. Okay. So we'll do it with counts. All right. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? A little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and even faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and so now I'm going to freestyle using heel toe and also the 3 variations that I just showed you. So again, there might be some new stuff in there, but my focus is heel toe and the variations. Okay? So, all right, so here we go. This house dance tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like to see more content. Much love and gratitude. I'll see you in the next video.